What's up YouTube? Jeremy here and welcome to my first video of 2022. Well, first of all, sorry it's been a while since I've posted a video. I actually went on vacation in December, came back in January. Right after that, I went to Las Vegas for a mastermind hosted by Ryan Pineda. I actually joined his all-star program and now I'm getting mentorship from him. Wow. Now I'm finally back, partied a lot, lost my voice, and now I'm ready to get to work. So for this year, I am planning to expand myself with my investments and also with the content on my channel. And that is what today's video is about. I do want to say that I was very hesitant about making this video because I am new to all of the crypto space. I felt like because I'm not an expert in this field of crypto, I feel very uncomfortable making content about it. But hey, if you want to grow, you need to do things outside of your comfort zone. Plus, I've realized you don't need to be an expert to talk about things on YouTube. So again, I'm new to all of this, and that is why I titled this video Hawaii Crypto Noob, because I am a noob. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is crypto, why I decided to invest $50,000 into it, and talk about the coins and NFTs that I've invested in. But before we begin, I do have to ask you to please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't yet, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media platforms as well. All right, thanks. So honestly, I used to think that crypto was crazy and I always ignored it and I didn't even bother to look into it or even invest in it. I used to think that you should only stick to what you know and invest in what you know. I mean, it just makes sense, right? Again, I'm fresh to all of this. I actually just started investing into crypto in October of 2021. So that means most of my investments into crypto since then have gone down. But it's okay because like everyone says and like I've researched and heard from everyone, crypto behaves in cycles and in the long term, it will go up. So I'm not too worried. All right, so let's get this video started. So first of all, what is cryptocurrency? Well, to be honest, I wouldn't be able to explain it to you 100%. So I'm going to give you the explanation that is provided by Investopedia.com. According to Investopedia.com, a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of computers. A defining feature of cryptocurrency is that they are generally not issued by any central authority, rendering them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. What the hell does that mean? Essentially, it is a new form of currency that is virtual, and you could say that it is a new form to store value and of course to use in transactions. Wow. The main pros of this new form of currency is the blockchain technology and it being decentralized. Also, that it would be way cheaper and faster when it comes to the exchange or transfers of money. A good example is today, I'm recording this on January 17 on a Monday, which is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and because of that, the banks are all closed. But crypto, on the other hand, is not closed. So you can, transfer or exchange money without using a bank. So that means you can exchange or transfer money anytime you want, versus a bank, because it is a holiday, you can't do anything. However, the disadvantages with crypto, of course, is the price volatility. It fluctuates so much compared to stocks. Also, a lot of energy is needed to mine crypto. This video, we're not going to be talking about mining crypto because it is far advanced and we'll talk about that in the future. And the last reason is because it allows for lots of privacy. It is sometimes used for criminal activity, such as buying drugs on the Silk Road. Again, I'm not going to get into that. But ultimately, that is cryptocurrency in a nutshell. If I butchered that up, then I apologize to all the crypto enthusiasts out there. I'm just a crypto noob. But thank you, Investopedia, for explaining all of that for me. So you're probably thinking, okay, Jeremy, what changed? What clicked in your mind that made you invest over $50,000 into cryptocurrencies? Well, it's a crazy and long story actually, but to sum it up short, around October of last year in 2021, I actually made friends with some crypto millionaires. They actually reached out to me to be their agent because they're interested in buying real estate here in Hawaii. Wow. They ended up not buying real estate yet, but since meeting them, I've actually grown to be good friends with them, and they've actually kind of sparked the curiosity in my mind with crypto. They gave me their thoughts on everything, and because of that, I started to do some research of my own, which eventually led me to going down the rabbit hole, watching hours and hours of YouTube videos about crypto. And after going through all of that, I started to realize that, yep, this makes sense. Cryptocurrency is really some advanced technology that we're still so early in the game, and it's going to disrupt all modern financial institutions. Whoa, big words there. Wow. I mean, not only that, but I feel like it's gotten so big that I can no longer sit on the sidelines and ignore it anymore. I mean, look at everyone investing into crypto and that's starting to invest into crypto. You have a bunch of celebrities, you have countries investing into crypto, you have, of course, all the big time investors investing into crypto. Now, even the banks are investing into crypto. When I started seeing that, I was like, okay, you know what? Everyone is getting into this. I might as well get into it too. I'd rather get into it and it be nothing and I lose the money I have than to just sit on the sidelines and miss out on a great opportunity and watch everyone else get rich except me. That is called FOMO, by the way. Yes, the prices of crypto fluctuate and are so volatile, and it is still new to the world. And you know, when I see prices go up, it's awesome. And then when I see prices go down, am I scared of seeing that? I used to be. I mean, anyone who invests into something new or something they don't understand, they're scared. The more I understood how it works, and you know, I started getting into the community behind crypto, the less I started being scared. So if you want to invest into crypto and you're scared, it's because you don't understand it. In order to understand, you need to do research. And because I did my research, I felt comfortable investing over $50,000 into different coins and NFTs. Speaking of which, let's start talking about all the coins that I'm in and the NFTs I own. Now, I want this video to be super quick because it is pretty much my intro to crypto on this channel. So I'm gonna be very quick and I'm not gonna have time to explain all the coins individually, but we're just gonna go over them briefly, and in the future, I'll make more videos of the coins that I've invested in. So before I begin, again, I am a crypto noob. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to invest in. I'm just telling you guys what coins I have. So to start things off, of course, I have Bitcoin. This is, of course, the first cryptocurrency that ever came about and started everything in the cryptocurrency world. Think of this like your gold, your digital gold. Next up, I have Ethereum. This was the second cryptocurrency that was ever made. Although it is second, it is totally different from Bitcoin. We'll go over the difference in another video. But yes, I have these two main coins. These are the first two that I ever bought. And these are your two, basic coins to have in cryptocurrency. Now let's talk about things called altcoins. Altcoins are basically any coin that is not Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the altcoins that I've invested in are Decentraland and Sandbox. These two coins are big coins that deal with crypto gaming, specifically in the metaverse, which you've heard so many times as of recently. And if you didn't know, Facebook actually changed their name to Meta, which means metaverse. Mark Zuckerberg basically said, hey, the metaverse is going to be a huge thing. I want to get in on it. And he believed in metaverse so much that he changed his name to Meta. Crazy, right? Now, some other altcoins that I own are Avalanche, Solana, Phantom, and Polkadot. Again, I don't have time to explain all of these in this video, but I will explain them in the future. So if you like my channel, besides real estate, and you're into crypto, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Also, I have a lot of money in this coin called Crypto.com coin. Crypto.com is the company that replaced the Staples name on the Staples Arena in Los Angeles, and it is now called the Crypto.com Arena, aka the Crip Arena. I'm just kidding, bad joke. Crypto.com actually has their own app in which you can buy different crypto coins, and that is exactly what I use to buy mine. Wow. Then finally, I put pretty much half of what I invested into crypto into this one company or coin called ECOMI, aka OMI. Like the rest of these coins, I don't have time to explain what this company and this coin is called in this video, but I'm gonna talk about it in future videos. But in short, ECOMI is a tech company that creates cool NFTs of characters and superheroes from companies like Marvel, DC, Universal, and you also have characters from movies like Disney characters. I believe that this coin is going to hit big, which is why I've invested half of what I invested into crypto into this coin. Now, speaking of NFTs, that is a segue into the NFTs I own. So, as I was saying before, OMI creates NFTs. I bought some NFTs created by OMI. So OMI has this cool app called Vive, or Vivi, I don't know how to explain it. But in this app, you can buy and collect these NFTs. And I'm actually gonna show you a screen recording of me using this app and showing you everything that I own. Wow. So here's the Vive app. I'm gonna show you guys a screen recording of me going through the app. So here we are inside Vive. As you can see, there's like all these different NFTs that you could buy. This right here is basically some NFTs of comic books. So you remember how valuable comic books were back in the day? They actually turned the comic books into digital NFTs. Now, here are a bunch of like other characters and stuff that you could buy. I'm gonna show you guys the virtual showroom. This is where I store all of my NFTs that I purchased through Vive. Wow. All right, so now we're inside my digital showroom. It's like a little vault, pretty cool, and you could use these little toggles to walk in. So you walk in, this is a DeLorean from the movie Back to the Future. So you can buy these different cool NFTs wow. that are, you know, collectible and put it here. And here are some limited edition superhero Spider-Man. I remember this was like a Halloween special, the zombie Captain America. And then on the left, they had a Disney collectible. This was with Marvel. That these are supposed to be worth like a lot. And I bought this as a set. You can buy them in sets. But these two are also NFTs. And then up here was a Great Wave painting. I always liked this painting, so they offered it, so I figured I'd just buy it. So let me show you guys that golden statue, for example, why it was so valuable. It was basically a limited edition NFT, and I'll show you guys here, but it is the Avenger sign. And if you look right here, when I scroll down, it says that you paid 350 gems. I basically paid $350 for this, you know, NFT, but if you look at the floor price, it's $2,099. So I almost, you know, 6x, 7x my investment, all because I just bought this NFT. It's crazy, I didn't even know that, I just checked it now, but as you can see, NFTs, for some reason, they appreciate in value really quickly. Again, I'm a crypto noob, but I understood supply and demand and that these were limited edition. Wow. Now, same thing with the Iron Man. I'll show you guys a screenshot video, but anyway, this is the Iron Man, right? It's supposed to cost less than the other thing, but the rarity is common. But if you look, I bought it for $350 and the floor price is $2,800. That is crazy. So I definitely like 7x, 8x my investment. So these are probably like the best performing NFTs that I have so far. Next, we have my Chronos chimps. CRO is the ticker sign for chrono.com. That is a company that I mentioned earlier in this video, and that company is doing a lot of marketing. I mean, like I mentioned before, they spent a lot of money to change the Staples arena into the crypto.com arena. And they actually released their own NFTs, so I figured why not get two. Another NFT I have is a Mad Meerkat. Also, just like the Chronos chimps, this is a part of the Chronos ecosystem. So again, I figured why not just buy one. Then lastly, I have my spaces in the crypto game called Big Time. Big Time is a multiplayer RPG, and in the game, you can buy NFTs that you can use for your avatar in the game. Wow. Crypto gaming, in my opinion, is going to be huge in the future, and that's why I bought some. According to their website, you know, these spaces are expansions to your personal time machine in the game, whatever that means. Then lastly, I bought this Jade VIP Access Pass. I don't think this is an NFT, but basically this is just a pass that gets you early access to the game when it's launched. I'm thinking maybe I could flip this or use it. I don't know, we'll see. So there you have it, guys. That was my first video on crypto. How did I do? You know, if I, explain crypto really bad, I apologize, but again, I'm still a noob and I'm still always learning. But anyway, that was me explaining what crypto is, talking about the portfolio I own in terms of the coins and the NFTs that I own. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll be making lots and lots of videos going more into depth about crypto, as far as everything that I know at least. And I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna talk about my growing portfolio, and I'm also gonna talk about the NFTs that I buy in the future. So keep an eye out for all of those videos coming. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. And thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you next time.